Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. If you're in the market for a budget home theater system which you can use for movies and music, then today in this video, we're going to show you a newly launched product from Motorola, and it's the Motorola AmphisoundX 5.1 home theater system. The AmphisoundX series has 3 models, and the one we have here is the 150 watts 5.1 channel system. In the front of the box we have the picture of the product along with the model name here. On this side of the box we have some features such as 150 watt output, its HDMI ARC enable, Bluetooth 5.0, optical input, USB and aux support, and you also get the FM support in this model. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So first on the top we have this compartment where you have your all 5 speakers, and you also get the user manual, remote controller, aux cable and the FM antenna cable. Now let's take out the speakers one by one, which are the front right, surround right, center, front left and the surround left. So these are the 5 speakers, and right now I can say that I like the design of these speakers, and also the build quality is pretty good. At the back of these speakers you have the hook by which you can wall mount them, and you also have the position sticker here. Now let's take out the main unit from the box. The subwoofer has the 70 watt output and comes with the 8-inch bass driver. The peak power of this subwoofer is 150 watt. And about the driver size in the satellite speakers, the audio driver size is 3 inches. Now in terms of the design, the subwoofer and the speakers look beautiful, and you have the Motorola logo in the middle of the speaker. And one more thing guys, that this subwoofer also has the LED light system which lights up according to the music. Now in terms of the ports and features, in the front we have the controls of the home theater, and here you have the power button which is also the source button. And when you press it, you can cycle between different modes available such as aux, USB, Bluetooth, HDMI and so on. And then here we have the volume and also the button to change soundtracks. The button quality is decent, but I'll be using mainly the remote control which has all the features. On the remote control, you can also adjust bass and treble according to your choice. On the side of the subwoofer, you have the SD card slot along with the USB port where you can connect your thumb drive. At the back we have the HDMI ARC port, optical port and then the FM antenna port. Below it we have the audio input and output ports, and here you will connect the 5 satellite speakers. So we have connected all the speakers. Now let's test the sound quality. Guys, I must say that these speakers are pretty loud yet offers amazing sound quality. The bass is amazing, and overall I love the output of these speakers. I have used them for music, movies and also connected them with my TV. And I must tell you that I really like the output of these speakers. Keeping in mind the price, they perform exceptionally well. You get rich bass, sound clarity is also good, and the best part is that you can also adjust the treble and bass according to your choice. That means if you have connected these speakers with your TV, then you can decrease the bass to get clear vocals. Overall, I'm really happy with the performance, and the audio quality of this 5.1 audio system from Motorola is really good. During our testing, I have placed the satellite speakers a bit far. Ideally, the surround speaker should be placed behind you to give you that ultimate theater-like experience. And when I was watching movies with this audio system, the sound performance was really good and I was getting the cinema experience at home. There is also a Pro Logic mode in this remote which lets you change between 5.1 to 2.1. And in my opinion, it's really helpful as sometimes you don't want this surround sound. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a 5.1 home theater system and want to spend approximately 10,000 rupees, then I highly recommend you to check out these speakers. You can also consider the other two models. First is the 80 watt 5.1 sound system, which looks really good as its price only rupees 8,000. Apart from that, there is also a 160 watt 2.1 soundbar system which supports Dolby sound and it's priced at rupees 10,999. Now coming back to this home theater system, I have used it for some time and I personally find it value for money. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Motorola AmphisoundX 150 watt sound system. Let us know if you like it and also do tell us which speaker system you use at home in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off and I'll see you in the next one.